This is COQ. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's like a nor'easter blizzard outside in New York right now. So I'm making the perfect dish to go along with the weather. COQ. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Well, it's a chicken stew. Hope you guys like it. Okay, so we're gonna get started by rendering out this bacon. All right, so basically we're gonna cook everything in the bacon grease. So we're gonna start with the potatoes and let's move on from there. So about that, I almost forgot the carrots. It's all good, it just added an extra step. You can also add mushrooms or other root vegetables here, but that's completely optional. What's up guys, this is me editing the video right now. I don't usually like to do this, but if you can, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps us out on the algorithm. All right, now back to the chicken. Just season with salt and pepper. And we're gonna render out the chicken thighs skin side down on real low, just to really render that skin out and get it nice and crispy. You guys still there? We gotta make the sauce still. Don't fall asleep. All right, so we're gonna start off by chopping some garlic, and then we're gonna deglaze the pan with 2 cups of red wine. 2 cups of crushed tomatoes. And then 1 tablespoon of flour. Stir this in and let it cook out for a couple minutes. Next up, the chicken stock, about 3 cups. And this is where I can picture the old traditional French chef just giving me that look from across the kitchen. Sorry, Frenchie. Mix in about 1 cup of soy sauce and 1 cup of ketchup. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, for some reason, it just works. And finally, our last ingredient, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Sauce is almost done. Just give it a last taste. Oh my God. And next we're gonna add back in our chicken thighs and let that cook for about 5 more minutes. So what I'm doing now is just transferring everything into another baking dish, starting with the vegetables, then the chicken wings, and then the thighs that have been cooking in the sauce. And this right here is your last chance to adjust the sauce if needed. So go ahead and give it one last taste, and then pour it all over the top. And now right into the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. So all those flavors can come together. Okay, so I put everything back in the oven, but we're gonna need something to mop up that sauce with. So I'm gonna make some homemade flatbreads. Just grab some pizza dough, stretch it out. Frying pan, a little garlic powder, a little salt, a little olive oil. That's it. It's gonna be the perfect little vessel, the perfect little bite. Can't wait. guys, we did it. Perfect snow day meal. I really hope you guys try it out. Shoot me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. This is one of those dishes I just keep finding myself going back for more. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.